Oh, yeah. Yes, sir. You holding it down. Oh, yeah. Little poncho. Ross provides. Good day for the tent.
What's my favorite word? BH! Why they gotta say it like short? BH! You know they can't play on my court, can't hang.
The people gotta keep coming out. They can't stay in.
That part. It started raining and I was like, fuck, let me secure my art. I'm not going home, I'm having fun. I'm smoking, I'm drinking, I'm dancing in the rain, I'm playing music. Like,
where you get that from?
You know the vibes?
It's still Thursday. Still time to party.
MJG, spitting that weed to the IMP.
Thank you, my guy. Oh, yeah. There he is. Get him. Get him. Heck yeah. Fresh. With the shoes on. Hell yeah. My guy. I got a spark one. Oh yeah. Shouts to Too Short. We used to watch him perform this at the Conga Room downtown. Dave Chappelle, we met him in Conga Room too. Yes. Get him.
The birds are getting crazy over there.
Too Short. Up all night, baby. Album number 16. Y'all can't fuck with that. Grown ups.
Bird Wars.
Turning, baby. Right about now. It's your boy, you heard, back again. DJ Manny. Fresh. Yeah, fresh.
Yeah.
Fresh. Go DJ, that's my DJ. Go DJ, that's my DJ. Go DJ, that's my DJ.
Armando,
Yeah. Keep it herbal.
Straight man, fresh.
It started raining, huh? What is it?
As soon as you left, I saw a couple of sprinkles and I was like, oh fuck. And I had to secure everything as quick as I could.
Yeah, it's light, but it's not stopping. Yeah.
I like it.
It's cool. Yeah. We'll take it.
I came to feed my iguana.
Yep.
Hall of Fame, I got that.
I brought a strawberry for the iguana.
Oh, he's dead. The rain is too cold.
Keep it herbal.